miss you nevermore.
So getting right into it, I'm going to fill in her brows with my Sephora brow pencil, and I believe the shade dark brown. And I like a full brow, so I'm really going to fill this in. I'm going to do strokes just to imitate her brows, and I'm actually following the natural shape. And then I'm going to take my Pro Longwear concealer. I believe I mixed 2 colors, and I'm going to use this to just carve out her brows and clean them up.
I miss you nevermore.
So now I'm going to take a translucent powder and set all over the lid, and then I'm going into an orange shade of eyeshadow and I'm putting that all over the lid, and then I'm going to take a brown shade and actually focus that deeply in the crease. So I applied my eyeshadow a little too high, so I'm just going in with some concealer to clean that up, and then I'll reapply the shadow where I want it.
I miss you nevermore.
So now that that's all cleaned up, I'm actually going to go back into that brown shade and apply that in the crease. Then I have this chocolate brown shade that I'm going to focus on the outer V. So I use this technique. I like to lift the skin up so that I could really blend out the colors in the crease, and it honestly makes a difference if you want a diffused look. But now I'm going to this silver shade and I'm just applying that on her lids. I've taken a liquid eyeliner and I'm just applying that, and I actually let my clients have these since I can't reuse them on other people. So I'm just taking this concealer concoction that I've made where I'm mixing 2 colors back and forth. I did the same thing for her foundation. I am using all MAC products so far, and I'm just applying that all over the face. Now I'm taking some of that leftover foundation that I made, and I'm just going to apply that in spots where I feel like I need extra coverage. So I'm just doing that, and I like to apply it under the eye to make sure the concealer blends seamlessly.
I miss you nevermore.
Now that everything's blended out, I can apply my cream concealer, and I'm just going to apply that along the forehead, right above the ear, and I'm just going to blend all of that out to give her a nice bronze look. So I like to set all over the face first before I apply my translucent powder, just so that you don't have any flashback or your face doesn't end up like really bright. And then I'm just going to apply some blush. This is a blush palette that I made. And then I'm going to take my Mineralize Skinfinish and I'm just going to blend out that translucent powder with that so that it gives me a really flawless look. I'm taking my lip liner from ColourPop and I'm actually overlining her lips. I did ask her if she was down and she said yes. So we're overlining the lips. We're just making them look a little more full, a little more puffy, a little more mwah. So I'm just applying a pale pink lipstick from this lip palette that I have from MAC. And after that's applied, I'm just going to top it off with a MAC lip gloss. So I'm taking this Extra Dimension highlighter from MAC, of course, very beautiful, and then I'm going to actually put white in her waterline, and underneath her waterline I'm going to do a dark brown shade, and I'm going to smudge that out. I think that looks so pretty and it really helped to finish the look. I'm finishing the look with my Fix Plus spray, and voila, she looks gorgeous.